Hee-haw-hoo. Hey, hey, what did the groundhog see in the shadow? I don't know. I'm pre-recorded, so this is after February, so we know we got 6 more weeks of winter. I'm predicting March. You watching Blue Bike and Doyle channel, and we dicking around outside the shed, in the shed, everywhere in the shed, here, shed. Run that intro before I go crazy. I see wires everywhere. I know there's a couple of you, maybe 3, that watching my video that's ready to see what it sounds like. So let's see if we can get boom booms in the POs S10, and we'll go from there. I think I got everything set. Yeah, so we'll go see if we can get boom booms in the in POs S10s. So the first one's going in, the one that goes on the bottom, the biggest one. 1,000 watt in this little bitty subcompact. Double the watts, drops the ohms, all that good stuff. So I had to use these little bitty tiny. Oh, I need to do, that's what I need to do. Oh, I already did that, so I don't need to do that. How do I bridge this thing? Which one's bridged? I don't remember. I don't know. I can't remember how to bridge. Yeah, I think do. Positive. All right. So I think I do this right. I don't. We'll see if it comes out right or wrong. Right or wrong, we doing it. So I need to unscrew that one. That's a negative. And then I need the positive. No, is that the positive? They got this stuff. No, that's the positive and negative. Is it negative on one side, positive on the other? Positive. No, negative, positive. Yep, that's okay. You take bridging, you take one channel, positive off the one channel, and then negative off the other. So I did do that, leave that out. Okay. So we hope this is what we doing. Oh man. Pause, I forgot something. I need my bigger ones. I need like 3 different T-handles. That one works there? Nope. You wouldn't know it, would you? I need 2 more T-handles. Okay, sorry, you laid down on the job. So you missed all that. I looked up and seen you laying on the ground. I was like, well, damn. You didn't get to see me fight with all them wires. Hey, how y'all doing? Don't fall down. Lay down on the job no more. Whoop. 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 We want them on low pass, I think. I can't read these little light and low pass. All right. Which one's positive and which one's negative? I need some lights in this situation. I need light. Sun's going down. Huh. It's red and black Channel 1, Channel 2, Channel 3, Channel 4. Well, I don't tell you nothing. Which is the positive side and which is the negative. Huh. How's that 2 channel, 1 channel, 2 channel, 3 channel? Huh. Right, left, I don't know. But it's not coordinated like it should be. I guess I should read the instructions. I don't think it had any instructions. It really doesn't say. It says, I ain't never seen that. Usually you got one channel with positive and negative. So we just plug them in. I think we want to, I guess. We'll figure. We might want to go up through here like so. I need a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, I should have everything set and I can just adjust it. So let's see. Y'all, the sound's gonna sound terrible on a YouTube GoPro thingy. Where's my fuse? I unplugged the main fuse so it'd be arcing. Arc. One open, set it in here. Oh, shoot. I should have it. Get key in ignition. No, I ain't got no music. I gotta steal Lucille's iPod. I'm not stealing, I'm borrowing it. It's mine. How could it be stealing? I'm just borrowing it from one vehicle to the other till I get me another iPod. One for POs. POs S10. And damn it, I need the cord too. Jesus. He was born yesterday. Yesterday was Christmas. I need to get a plug, a power cord. Lucille don't want to give it up. There you go. Thank you. We'll get some tone lope going. Raw bass or something like that. It's our mix a lot. I'm old school. Funky Cole Medina. Boom. Regulators. Nate Dogg. M&M. This plug, that's where the plug is. So we'll see what happens. Key on. We got power. We don't see any lights on, do we? Nope. We ain't got no power yet. Oh, because it says off. Why does it say off? It's pretty good. That's just halfway too. And I ain't got no highs or nothing, so all you hear is the lows. I started truck, you can't hear truck running. That's halfway. I said, well, we got boom boom, but we ain't got no ha ha. So I don't know what's the problem with it. I just tried hooking up the other amp for the door speakers, and I ain't getting no power out of them. I try to go any higher and it cuts out. So A, I have no idea what I'm doing. B, the wires are too small. C, I might have some wires crisscross and applesauce. I don't know. Troubleshooting. It was a whole lot simpler when I was younger. In my 30s. Check out that video there. That one there. And hit the subscribe button over here. I'm going to go in and lick my wounds. Figure out what the F's going on here.